Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I've been experimenting with creating little reels and short films through Canva. So in order to do this, you first want to go to, I think you type in TikTok, or you can type in reel, and then it gives you Instagram reel. And then just do blank Instagram reel. I already have a template open. Yeah, so this is a reel that I've been working on. You can kind of see a little preview. So yeah, you can see I have a preview here that I played for you. You can add music, sound, little animated graphics. So you can I just made a yellow background, and then I went into the elements tab here, and then in the elements tab you can search for different graphics and shapes. That's how I made the little bullet points here and got this. And then if you want to add audio, you can click audio, graphics, photo, and it has free sounds. A lot of them are paid, some of them aren't. And as you can see, there's videos too. So if you want to create an actual video, you can switch it over to do a full-length video like that. And of course, you have your text, regular text that you can do. And this is all the free version. I don't have any of the premium stuff that they have available. I just do it all through Canva. And then I have little pictures and branding that I use, but this was all done natively through Canva assets. And if you want to add voice to it, you can go to share up here in the corner, and then I believe you go to more, and then you go to present and record, and go to recording studio. Wants to use my camera, microphone, and as you can see, it's picking up me on my camera, it's picking up my recording. I don't want to do all that just yet, but as you can see, there's a lot of things you could do. You can see how long the video is up here in the corner, and you could zoom in, zoom out, and you can play at different points and take little notes. So if you have a script written or something else you want to talk about, you can do that. And yeah, I just thought that was a really good tool I wanted to share with everybody for creating short form content on different social media sites, whether you're doing YouTube, Reels, or TikTok. It's all the same. Yeah, from then on you can just post and do your hashtags and titles and optimizations from there. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that.